Welcome back to my channel MotorVibe_110. Welcome to the future of hypercars. This is the 2025 Lsdoro Bugatti, where cutting-edge technology meets breathtaking design and record-breaking performance. Let's start with what makes this beast stand out. Under the hood, or should we say, beneath its sculpted aerodynamic shell, lies a hybrid powertrain that redefines speed. A monstrous quad-turbo W16 engine, paired with a high-performance electric motor, delivers an earth-shattering 2,000 horsepower. That means a top speed pushing past 300 miles per hour and a 0 to 60 time that's nearly inconceivable. Bugatti has always been about pushing limits, and the Lsdoro is no exception. Every curve, vent, and contour has been meticulously crafted for maximum aerodynamic efficiency. The active rear wing adjusts in real time, providing downforce when needed and reducing drag at high speeds. The lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis ensures optimal strength while keeping weight to a minimum. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior that blends luxury with high-performance engineering. Premium Alcantara, hand-stitched leather, and carbon fiber accents create a cockpit that feels both refined and race-ready. The digital instrument cluster is a masterpiece of modern technology, providing real-time telemetry, navigation, and even AI-driven driving assistance. The steering wheel, inspired by Formula One design, features integrated controls, allowing you to switch driving modes, activate boost, and fine-tune your performance settings without taking your hands off the wheel. The Lsdoro isn't just a hypercar, it's an experience, designed to make every drive feel like a track day. Performance is one thing, but the technology in this car takes it to another level. Advanced AI-assisted driving adapts to road conditions, adjusting suspension, traction, and aerodynamics on the fly. The all-wheel drive system, paired with an innovative torque vectoring setup, ensures that every bit of power is delivered with precision. Charging forward into the electric era, the hybrid system isn't just about efficiency, it's about unleashing even more power. The instant torque from the electric motor complements the W16's raw output, creating an acceleration experience like no other. And thanks to regenerative braking, energy is constantly being recovered, optimizing performance lap after lap. Of course, a Bugatti isn't just about speed, it's about exclusivity. With only a limited number of Lsdoro units being produced, each one is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Owners can personalize nearly every aspect, from custom paint finishes to bespoke interior details. And for those who demand the ultimate VIP experience, Bugatti offers a concierge service that ensures their car is always in peak condition. Let's talk sound. The Lsdoro isn't just about going fast, it's about feeling the speed in every sense. The exhaust system has been engineered to deliver a symphony of raw power, seamlessly blending the deep roar of the W16 with the futuristic whine of the electric motor. It's an auditory experience that sends chills down your spine every time you hit the accelerator. And what about the numbers? This car isn't just pushing boundaries, it's rewriting them. Top speed, beyond 300 miles per hour. Quarter mile, achieved in a blistering time. Handling, unmatched, thanks to its active aerodynamics and state-of-the-art suspension. The Lsdoro isn't just fast, it's a masterpiece of engineering that's set to dominate the hypercar landscape. Bugatti has always been about heritage, innovation, and exclusivity, and the Lsdoro is the perfect embodiment of that legacy. It's more than just a car, it's a statement. A statement that performance, luxury, and technology can coexist in perfect harmony. So, the question is, are you ready to experience the future of speed? The 2025 Lsdoro Bugatti isn't just a hypercar. It's a legend in the making.